Morning guys, we are back after being away for 2 weeks for this Christmas break. Yeah. I hope you guys had a nice time off as well. But we started, what it is, we're talking from the future now because we started erecting the carport up before we left. We've got some video. So this video, we're going to be mixing a bit of the old stuff in with a bit of the new stuff in, and getting this carport up, because we did all the cuts last time on the last videos. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. And now it's time for erecting it up. So let's crack on, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Super. I want to go that way though, I think. I think we're deep enough on that. Blow. Right, so I've already measured these, so they're going to block and that 13-inch. So just got enough depth on that. Right, I'll
You're winching up there?
Yeah.
You go down anymore?
No, well. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's on. Yeah.
Yeah, just getting it to where it needs to be.
Two-part resin. We've already done that one, look, that's resined in. We've got some just some bars on it for now. I'm just going to resin these in.
How much is this one in like?
Plenty. Never have too much resin, can you? Oh, there's loads in there. You've filled it all up now.
More the merrier. Get it in, lad.
Oh yeah.
Plenty.
Right, get some in that block now.
How much is it coming out then?
Yeah. It's all going to bust out that top. Yeah? Put the block on, put the block on. Can you see my line still that I drew on? That end?
They're flashing.
Square it up to that.
Where you want it, bar here? That way.
How much?
5, 10 mil. More. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, there. That one there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. You ready up?
Yeah.
Like a mill.
A mil?
Are you slotted in yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Finger. Right, see you a bit. Alright, so we're doing the same again like we did over there at someone else. We're gonna put a chamfer on them so they'll look good, and that rain comes off as well. I'm just roughing it in, about 10mm ish. That's it. And there's chamfer on.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Right. I need hammer. Oh, look at that.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Other side now.
Is that right? Or is it the same?
Yeah.
Good. You good, yeah? Ready.
Yeah. We're in. Check this out. Tim who sent me a few bits on YouTube now. He sent me this, told me to buy it, and I never bought it. A Woodall Auger bit, and I never bought it because I'm just tight. And we've been using these ones. I think we got them from B&Q, didn't we, or something?
Yeah, I think so.
And you've seen me before. I was using the what's some other bits called? The spade bits.
Oh, spade,
been using
yeah.
spade bits and these, but these I can't use them all the time because they've just been tearing my drill up. So watch, I'll show you. It just runs really slow. Oh. Just don't like going through it all. And Tim's sent me this one, the Woodall, and they're just amazing, absolutely amazing. I'll never buy these cheap crappy things again. Look at that. Saves buying tack, doesn't it? So that's it. No more of them. I'm always going to buy these. He actually got it from, keeps going on about it as well, TF Tools. I don't know where my plastic thing's gone flip. TF Tools, they're online. It's a small company, and they send them out for you. I think these are about £20 or something. So anyway, I've been online and they've got loads of goodies there. So I bought a bit of something myself, and it's just a bit of something. I just thought I'd buy something, see what they were like. I bought these knives. I think these were 25 quid delivered. So I've got a knife there, and then I've got the chisel knife as well. These are ridiculously sharp, these. Like, should be able to pretty car. That's oak as well, that's sure they'll come in handy for something. And they also send me a little treat, look. They got a sticker. Carpenter sticker. And Tim, check that out.
Oh, nice.
Bit of chocolate. You want a bit?
Aye, why not? See what it tastes like. Jesus, they're big chunks. Nah, thank you.
Yeah. So you want to go online, go check them out. So some really good quality stuff. I'm definitely going to be buying again. I just need to save money because the tax bill's coming up soon. Then I'll buy something again. Right. Are you ready?
No.
No. I'm going up. I'm going up, Chief. Yeah.
No, can't do that.
You can. Fine. Put my foot on it. Why is it shaking today? What's all that about? Well, we're lifting your end on first. I'll push down. There you go. Piece of cake, look. Apart from it's jammed. No, this knife would come in handy. Let's get this out of here. So we're just putting pegs in these holes here. Let's get this stuff out first. Yeah, so that's it. Look, we've got a like 50mm lap on there and there, and we're drilling pegs in just so they don't slide that way. Now we've got up so far, look, and that gap's for ridge beam to go in top, and they're on, and then they've all sat like that, look, and then we can, because we've cut out there, we can have a peg straight in that way and down. We might put one in that way, one in down. We'll see how many pegs we've got. Or we can nail it down and then peg it sidewards. Bash this in. I reckon that's in. Flatten it off. There we go. Hidden peg. So we've got about 60 pegs to put in. So let's crack on.